Cleaning the capping station periodically is recommended. We can recommend once a month, but keep an eye on how the capping station looks. If it's dirty, clean it off. First, press the left arrow on the front of the printer and hold it in to move the print head to the left hand side. This will expose the capping station. As you can see, this capping station has quite a lot of ink around it. We're going to use the swabs and the cleaning solution included with the printer spares kit, and we will wipe around the base of the capping station using the swab and cleaning solution. With the capping station clean, we'll then move on to cleaning the wiper blade. The wiper blade knocks off any excess ink that may be on the printhead after cleaning. You can use the same swab to wipe this ink off. With both clean, press the reset button on the front of the printer and the printhead will move back into position.